Can an LLC gift money? Yes, an LLC can gift money, but the tax treatment depends on the situation. If the LLC gives money to individuals, it may be considered a gift from the business. However, for tax purposes, the IRS generally applies the gift tax rules to individuals, not entities, so the gift is usually attributed to the LLC's members based on their ownership shares. If the LLC gives money for business reasons, such as bonuses to employees or charitable contributions, those payments are treated differently. Employee bonuses are taxable wages, and charitable donations may be deductible depending on how the LLC is taxed. It's important to keep clear records of any money given by the LLC and understand whether it is treated as a personal gift, a deductible business expense, or income for the recipient. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and keep it structured properly so financial transactions like gifts are handled correctly. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.